13 surprising potassium-rich foods that reduce blood pressure significantly. When you think about essential nutrients for your body, your mind may jump to protein, calcium, or omega-3, but do you know how important potassium is for the body? If you do not have enough potassium, it can cause your blood vessels to tighten and narrow, restricting blood flow and causing high blood pressure, one of the most common causes of death in America. Now, the good news is, some readily available potassium-rich foods could help you get the recommended amount and keep your blood flowing smoothly through arteries. Want to know more about such foods? In today's video, we will share with you the 13 surprising potassium-rich foods that reduce blood pressure significantly. Number 1. Bananas. A banana a day keeps elevated blood pressure away. There is no lie that it is beneficial for your blood pressure. One medium-sized banana carries about 422.4 milligrams of potassium. It reduces the effect of sodium in the body and brings blood pressure back to normal. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that banana intake is inversely related to diastolic blood pressure. Plus, bananas are sweet, tasty, and super convenient to eat, so keep eating bananas. Number 2. Avocados. Apart from being rich in potassium, avocados contain lots of oleic acids. The absorption of oleic acid by the cell membrane causes the lipid structures in membranes to become more receptive to the signals. It helps to bring down blood pressure instantly. A study on hypertensive rats in which avocado oil proved to mimic the effects of losartan, an antihypertensive drug, revealed that avocado extract lowered 21.2% systolic and 15.5% diastolic blood pressure in rats. Do you find this video interesting so far? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Number 3. Tomato puree. Any dish is incomplete without tomatoes, so it comes as a bonus that its puree has health benefits. Just 100 grams of tomato puree contains 439 milligrams of potassium. Additionally, tomatoes include a carotenoid pigment called lycopene. This pigment is also an angiotensin-converting enzyme inhibitor. It inhibits the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone cycle, which leads to a reduction in blood pressure. In a study to see the effects of tomato extracts on blood pressure, 31 individuals with grade 1 hypertension consumed tomato extract for 8 weeks. The outstanding results revealed a significant decrease in systolic blood pressure from 144 to 134 millimeters of mercury, and diastolic decreased to 83 from 87 millimeters of mercury. Number 4. Yogurt. Another food choice recommended in the DASH diet, dietary approach to stop high blood pressure, due to the abundance of potassium, is yogurt. Yogurt contains a wealth of calcium and potassium. Researchers analyzed the effects of yogurt in hypertensive rats in which they were given 3 different diets for 8 weeks. The dietary intakes containing yogurt exhibited significant drops in systolic and diastolic blood pressures. Just make sure to use plain, non-flavored yogurt to get the real benefits without added sugar and chemicals. Number 5. Potato. Usually, people cut off this starchy vegetable from their diet when they decide to get in shape, but an occasional mashed or grilled potato is not bad at all. Potatoes are one of the cheapest and most concentrated sources of potassium. One medium-sized potato with flesh and skin contains 905 milligrams of potassium. That's a lot more than banana and many other foods. Just make sure to eat the potatoes healthily, like baking or grilling, and do not add too much salt in it, and you are good to go. Number 6. Leafy greens. Potassium-rich greens such as kale, spinach, and lettuce are a perfect addition to your morning smoothie to help lower blood pressure. Other leafy greens high in potassium include Swiss chard, collard green, and arugula. Some of these are also high in nitrates, chemical compounds that help manage your blood pressure, so it is a win-win situation. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition Research shows the beneficial effect of spinach in elevated blood pressure management. Number 7. Salmon and other fatty fish. Did you know that delicious salmon fillets, 198 grams, contain 780 milligrams of potassium? That's approximately 16% of the recommended potassium. Apart from being high in potassium, salmon and other fatty fish are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These compounds heal the endothelial lining of blood vessels and decrease blood pressure. When buying fish, always choose fresh or frozen and avoid the ones soaked in brine, as this could increase the sodium levels in your body. Number 8. Apricots. Who doesn't love a sweet and tangy apricot? The health benefits of apricots are another reason to add them to your diet. 1 cup of sliced apricots contains 427 milligrams of potassium. So if you are aiming to lower your blood pressure, do not forget to toss them into your daily diet. A published paper by European Food Research and Technology mentions the outcome of an experiment to study the effects of apricots on hypertensive rats. Spontaneous drops in blood pressure with an apricot-based diet occurred in rats. Number 9. Lima beans. Another food item to keep blood pressure surges in check is lima beans. They are full of potassium, magnesium, and fiber content. The combination of potassium and magnesium proves to work effectively to reduce blood pressure. On top of lowering hypertension, magnesium intake may also prevent or treat coronary artery disease, arrhythmias, left ventricular hypertrophy, and stroke. It's a known fact that high cholesterol levels lead to heart diseases. Since lima beans are plant-based, they are low in cholesterol. Number 10. Beetroot. Beetroot is popular among health-conscious people. 1 cup of raw beetroot contains 442 milligrams of potassium. They are also rich in nitrates, a chemical compound that supports blood vessel function and overall heart health. Furthermore, this root vegetable is also a good source of fiber, magnesium, and vitamin C. All of this helps improve blood pressure and reduce inflammation. According to a study published in the journal Nutrients, consumption of beetroot juice causes a reduction in diastolic and systolic blood pressure and improves endothelial function. Number 11. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are tiny in appearance but provide immense health benefits. When it comes to lowering hypertension, pumpkin seeds are full of beneficial nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and arginine. 100-gram unsalted pumpkin seeds contain 788 milligrams of potassium. That's 17% of the daily recommended amount. Furthermore, a study in postmenopausal women revealed the beneficial effects of pumpkin seed oil. Compared to a placebo group, pumpkin seed oil supplementation exhibited a significant decrease in systolic blood pressure. Number 12. Chia seeds. Packed with nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and potassium, chia seeds have proved to be an efficient home remedy to treat hypertension. 100 grams of chia seeds gives you 813 milligrams of potassium, about 17.2% of the daily recommended amount. A small study consisting of 26 subjects led to the results that daily intake of 35 grams of chia seeds reduces blood pressure in both medically treated and untreated individuals. Furthermore, chia seeds also contain a wealth of antioxidants, which help reduce oxidative stress from the body and decrease the risk of heart diseases. Number 13. Lentils. For regulation of blood pressure levels, lentils are essential. 1 cup of cooked lentils contains 731 milligrams of potassium. It reduces the tension in the blood vessels and flushes out excess sodium from your system through urine. Plus, they are also rich in fiber, magnesium, and folic acid. All of this helps to maintain normal blood pressure. Just make sure to prepare your lentils with less salt. You can add garlic and natural herbs to enhance the flavor. The DASH, dietary approach to stop hypertension, suggests that fruits, vegetables, and grains must be a compulsory part of your daily intake. The above-listed food options are hand-picked while keeping the DASH diet in mind. These food options are readily available in the market, and some of them might be in your pantry right now. It's important to note that along with healthy food choices, positive lifestyle changes are also vital in the treatment of hypertension. Will you start eating these foods after watching this video? Let us know in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!